With AI-generated text becoming increasingly common, we face a unique dilemma. If everyone is leveraging AI to create content, how can we ensure our content stands out? How can we engage an audience in this AI-saturated market? What answer is simple yet profound? Embrace what's difficult. Here are a few strategies based on my experience. Number 1, emphasizing visual narrative, the power of images and screenshots. While we all be in the position of preparing the perfect blog post or article, only to stumble at the final hurdle, finding a captivating feature image. Like many, you might have scrolled through countless stock images, striving for the perfect one that will draw readers into your post, particularly on social media platforms. Here's the flip side. Using an overused, randomly picked stock photo will likely result in low click-through rate. The same concepts apply to visual aids within your content or blog post. There's no hard and fast rule stating how many images will boost your Google ranking. What matters most is how your audience perceive them. Ask yourself, will this image or screenshot enhance my audience's understanding of the topic? If so, include it. It will help retain your readers' attention throughout the article. Of course, certain academic or professional content doesn't require many images, but as humans, we are naturally drawn towards visual. Number 2, quality over quantity, crafting in-depth content. What defines in-depth content? Is this merely about word count? Absolutely not. It's about fulfilling the user needs and answering their question in the comprehensive, precise manner. When users land on your site, they're looking for specific answers. For instance, if you publish a blog post that comprehensively explains SEO to beginners, your content should provide the gist of it from start to finish. On the other hand, weaker content often causes user to close the page and search for better results. While word count plays a role in SEO, user experience is paramount. Cater to the user's search intent. If your content promises a solution, deliver it quickly and efficiently without wasting their time. Number 3, keeping up with tomorrow, staying ahead of SEO trend. As of writing this content, Google AI Bar is still in beta. The future of Google search will heavily feature generative AI, combining various formats into search results. This includes comparison tables for online shopping, suggested travel itineraries, and other exciting updates on the horizon. This raises many questions for SEO professionals. How will Google source answers from a vast sea of content? What criteria will Google use to recognize my website, products, or services for its generative AI? How will user search behavior adapt to these changes? While it's impossible to predict the future of Google generative AI or Bing's search mechanisms, one thing is certain: the search giants' updates will disrupt user search behavior dramatically. Hence, staying informed about their future plan is vital for your content marketing strategy. In conclusion, AI rapid revolution is reshaping numerous sectors, including digital marketing, programming, customer service, and more. In a world where agility often outperforms size, staying alert and embracing change is critical. Indeed, the increased use of AI has heightening competition. I still believe content is king. Yet, from the user's perspective, this is a positive shift as it streamlines their search experience. Will Google maintain its position as the world-leading search engine over the next decade? That remains to be seen. However, it's clear that whether you stick with your current strategy or rethink your digital marketing plans, content marketing will remain crucial in this evolving landscape. If you love this kind of content, remember to comment what's your response or what feedback. Then maybe I can answer your question for the next video. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, comment. You know what to do lah. Thank you.